Moving on, tensions are flaring once again in South China Sea. In the latest, Chinese and Philippines vessels collided during a confrontation near a disputed shoal in the South China Sea. According to a Chinese official, the collision between a Chinese Coast Guard vessel and a Philippine Coast Guard vessel took place near the Escoda Shoal in the West Philippine Sea. China and the Philippines have had repeated confrontations in this important waterway in recent months. China's Coast Guard said a Philippine vessel had ignored its repeated warnings and had purposely collided with a Chinese vessel in an unprofessional and dangerous manner. Meanwhile, the Philippine government has said that 2 of its Coast Guard ships were damaged in collisions with the Chinese vessels that were conducting unlawful and aggressive maneuvers. A short video of the incident was posted on China's Coast Guard social media, and it showed the collision, which happened around 1900 GMT on Sunday. The footage right now on your screens, it shows a Philippine vessel running into the left side of a Chinese ship before moving on. Another few seconds of the clip shows the Chinese vessel making contact with the Philippine ship. China's Coast Guard has said that it has taken control measures against the Philippine ships and has further warned Philippines to immediately stop infringement and provocation. Beijing claims almost all of the South China Sea, including both the shoals, and has rejected a 2016 ruling by the Permanent Court of Arbitration in The Hague, which had outlined that Beijing's expansive claims had no basis under international law.
Sarap para siya, no? Yung pala po, ang palo ng bato na